What you looking up, Dylan? Dinosaurs for dweebs?
Yes, Dolly, that's exactly right. Dinosaurs for dweebs.
Okay, now I need to know. What is it really? Come on. Animals versus humans. The outdoors. Oh, what just happened?
I think she got slapped by a fish. She did! Oh, my dog!
Don't you mean, oh my cod?
Nice. Oh, don't tell me. The elephant gets slapped by a fish, too?
Aw, poor little guy. Come on, you can do it.
Aw, so close.
What? Oh, bit disappointing. He actually made it.
And with just the 2 legs.
Maybe not.
Oh!
These guys must be related.
Whoa, ice!
Just embrace the slide, little pup. Go with.
Beep, beep. This puppy is reversing. Beep.
Oh! He got some air.
Humans showing how it's done.
They are such total goofballs.
Yeah, but you gotta love them.
Whoa, look at this guy. Oh, he made it.
No, he didn't.
Oh.
Who needs a rope? All this guy needs is a branch to swing on.
Aw, you can do it.
3rd time lucky.
Oh, wow.
You can let go now. Animals win again.
Woohoo! Gotta love that last clip. You can't separate a dog from his stick.
Stick. Uh-oh, trigger word.
Subscribe for more like this and tune into Disney Channel.